Hello, fellow plant lovers. Welcome to our green sanctuary. Bringing home a new plant is always a joy. It's like adding a new member to your family. It's like welcoming a little piece of nature into your home. A touch of green can brighten any space. But we all know those first few weeks can be a bit nerve-wracking. Don't worry, we're here to help. We're going to learn all about watering your new green friends. Proper watering is key to their health. Watering is essential for plant health. It's how they drink, after all. It's how they absorb nutrients and stay vibrant. We'll cover everything from the basics to handy tips. You'll learn the best practices for different types of plants. By the end, you'll be a watering whiz. Your plants will thrive and you'll enjoy a lush green home. Think of water as a plant's breakfast, lunch and dinner. Just like us, plants need water to grow strong and healthy. Water carries important nutrients to the roots, kind of like a delivery service. Without water, your plant can become dry and wilted. But be careful not to overdo it. Too much water can be just as harmful as too little. It's all about finding the right balance. Let's learn how. Here are a few essential tips for watering success that will help keep your plants happy and thriving. First, gently poke your finger into the soil. If it feels dry about an inch down, it's time to water. This simple test can prevent overwatering and underwater. Next, make sure your pot has drainage holes. Excess water needs a way to escape to avoid root rot and other issues. Proper drainage is crucial for plant health. When you water, do it thoroughly. Water until it drains out the bottom of the pot. This ensures that the roots get enough moisture and helps flush out any built-up salts. Remember, every plant is different. Some plants like it a bit drier, while others prefer more moisture. Pay close attention to their individual needs and adjust accordingly. These are just general guidelines. The best way to learn is by observing your plants regularly and adjusting your watering routine as needed. Keep a journal to track their progress and any changes you make. Know you've been a good friend. Section 4. Oops, common watering mistakes and how to fix them. Watering your plants might seem straightforward, but there are several pitfalls that even seasoned gardeners can fall into. Even experienced gardeners make mistakes. Sometimes it's all part of the learning process. Here are a few common watering blunders and how to fix them. These tips will help you keep your plants healthy and thriving. Overwatering if your plant's leaves are yellowing or drooping. It might be getting too much water. Overwatering is a common issue that can lead to root rot and other problems. Let the soil dry out completely before watering again. Make sure the top inch of soil is dry to the touch before you water underwater. Dry. Crispy leaves usually mean the plant is thirsty underwater and can stress your plants and stunt their growth. Give it a good soak. Ensure the water reaches the roots by watering deeply. Forgetting to water, life gets busy. It's easy to forget about your plants when you have a hectic schedule. Try setting reminders on your phone or calendar to water your plants. Consistency is key to keeping your plants happy. Remember, it's all about learning and growing along with your plants. Each plant has its own needs, and understanding them takes time. Don't be afraid to experiment and adjust your approach. Finding the right balance will lead to a lush, vibrant garden. Section 5. You can do it. Building your plant, watering confidence. Watering plants doesn't have to be complicated. With a little practice and patience, you'll become a watering pro in no time. Remember to listen to your plants. They'll tell you what they need. Don't be afraid to seek out advice from other plant lovers or your local nursery. We're all in this together. Section 6. Fun fact finale. Quench your thirst for knowledge. Did you know that some plants can actually communicate with each other through their roots? It's true. They can send signals to warn each other about drought or pests. Amazing, isn't it? Keep exploring the wonderful world of plants. They bring so much joy to our lives.